Prepare yourself for an explosive sensory overload. The roar of the engines, the sounds of cracking wood, and the sight of giant trees being felled in the blink of an eye. This video will take you on a breathtaking journey where logging is not just a job, but a display of sheer power. Don't miss out on this epic spectacle. The Husqvarna 395XP chainsaw with a 36-inch blade is one of the most powerful and efficient tools for felling large trees. With a powerful engine, up to 5.5 kilowatts, this chainsaw is capable of cutting through thick and hard tree trunks, providing superior power in felling work. The 36-inch blade increases the cutting area, thereby reducing working time and improving efficiency for the user. You are watching the power of the Husqvarna 395XP chainsaw combined with the skill and experience of the worker will create a precise, safe, and effective felling job, even if the pine tree is large in size and height over 8 feet. TDT-55 is a heavy-duty tractor produced by the Soviet Union now. Russia, which is famous for its ability to operate in harsh conditions, especially cold winters. With a powerful engine and a special drive system, TDT-55 can operate effectively on all difficult terrains and in heavy snow environments. Thanks to its excellent cold resistance, heated cabin system, and high stability, this tractor always maintains strong performance throughout the winter. Are you ready to see TDT-55 in action? It is truly a beast. Snow cannot be a problem for it, and carrying heavy loads is also easy. This machine never stops.
Hey there.
What do you think about its power?
Subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell.
Oh my God, the power of these machines is too terrible. The huge, rough, and uncouth log looked like it had nothing special. But after just a few passes through the saw, the outer layer was quickly stripped away, revealing a wonderful, smooth, and potentially valuable wood inside. This made me think of a metaphor, that the outside doesn't necessarily reflect the true value inside. Oh, and by the way, every time I saw him working with the saw with the blade exposed, unprotected, I couldn't help but feel nervous. Every time he reached close to the saw blade to grab a piece of wood, my heart skipped a beat because of the potential danger. What about you? Do you feel the same way?
Oh, watch out. Here it goes. And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
Once Ergo AWC 44H7 is a harvester manufactured by Ponce, a well-known Finnish company. This is a specialized equipment in the logging industry designed to operate effectively in forests with difficult terrain. With the 8W wheel system, the machine can move flexibly on difficult terrain, especially hills, helping to harvest wood stably and effectively. The H7 control system provides high precision, improving productivity, and minimizing environmental impact. The machine operates durably, meeting the needs of efficient logging while protecting and maintaining the sustainable development of the forest ecosystem. looks like a Humboldt cut would have done a better job for you, but going in the opposite direction to avoid tree canopy hangout. Hollow trees are really dangerous because one does not know which part of the tree is solid versus maybe dry rot. Glad to see your guardian angel was on the job. We are looking at the controlled burning method for stump removal, which is an effective technique for removing stumps without digging. The process begins with sawing deep grooves into the stump to allow the fire to burn from within. Then, combustible material is poured into the deep grooves and the fire gradually consumes the stump. The airflow is controlled to maintain high temperatures, helping to completely burn the stump and roots. This method has the advantage of saving time, not requiring heavy machinery, and not disturbing the land, which is especially effective for large stumps or deep root systems. However, safety must be ensured during the burning process in compliance with fire and environmental regulations to avoid danger. A dangerous situation has just occurred. This is the reason why it is necessary to calculate as well as have specialized means to ensure safety when working. Fortunately, God has blessed him. It must be admitted that the LKT80 tractor is a powerful and useful tool in the forestry sector, especially when working in harsh conditions such as heavy snowfall. With good terrain ability and the ability to pull heavy equipment, the machine can help transport heavy timber and materials from the logging area to the outside with ease, even in deep snow conditions. Definitely a challenge. Let's see how this guy handles this difficult situation to help the homeowner. Can he guarantee that the tree won't fall on the house? Stay tuned to find out the results. Teak, scientifically known as Tectona grandis, is a precious wood that stands out for its outstanding durability, effective termite resistance, and impressive natural beauty. Thanks to these characteristics, teak wood is favored for the production of many high-end products, especially in the furniture and construction industry. Let's watch Indonesian craftsmen saw giant, hundreds of years old teak logs to feel the preciousness and timeless value of this wood.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Don't underestimate the power of this Kubota KX57 tractor. It is as strong as a full-grown elephant. It can easily knock down a pine tree in the blink of an eye. How do you feel?
Can you imagine? Holy shit.
Nordson excavators use a special stump extraction system installed on the Daewoo 140 LCD crawler excavator, providing high efficiency in handling trees and clearing forest areas. With a robust design and the ability to work in harsh conditions, Nordson excavators perform stump extraction tasks quickly and accurately, even in low light conditions, such as at dusk. In the icy snow forest, both the Timberjack 460 and Timberjack 240 demonstrate their strength and versatility when faced with difficult roads and rough terrain. Timberjack 460, with a payload of 16 tons and a powerful engine, the vehicle easily transports heavy logs through thick snow, suitable for large forests and complex terrain. Timberjack 240, compact and flexible. With a lower payload, the vehicle moves easily through narrow roads in the snow forest, suitable for work in smaller areas. Both vehicles assert their important role in logging work, each suitable for different types of terrain and workloads. Oh my God! My heart almost jumped out of my chest when I saw the excavator flip over and hit the front of the truck while trying to pull the truck loaded with wood up the hill. Luckily, nothing serious happened. These drivers have a steely spirit and a strong will, never backing down from any challenge. This job requires not only great skills, but also extraordinary courage, as they face danger every second of every day. Their dedication to this demanding profession deserves our admiration and respect. Despite decades since its debut, the legendary ZIL-157, manufactured in the Soviet Union, now Russia, still proves its incredible strength and durability, leaving everyone in awe. A clear demonstration of this is when the vehicle was transporting timber through a forest road, suddenly got stuck in a mud puddle, with its wheels spinning in the slippery condition. However, the ZIL-157 was not easily defeated. Equipped with the famous winch system, the vehicle pulled itself out of the mud safely to continue its journey.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
A powerful sight in the middle of the forest, the new Valtra A124 forestry tractor is perfectly matched with a durable trailer and a Palms 7.86 crane, creating a powerful and efficient logging machine. The Valtra A124 easily overcomes bumpy roads, quickly collecting logs onto the trailer, while the Palms 7.86 crane handles the logs precisely and saves time. This is not just logging, but a symphony of strength, resilience, and pushing the limits. The Valtra A124 and Palm 7.86 Duo are truly the unsung heroes of the forest, proving that no challenge is too difficult. With extensive experience in the profession, he knew that to handle large old oak trees with sturdy trunks, a truly powerful tool was needed. And the Style MS 660 chainsaw was the perfect choice. The rumbling engine of the Steelman's 660 echoed in the quiet space. The sharp saw blade rushed through each grain of wood, each cut deepening the wound into the trunk. In just a moment, the oak tree fell down with a crackling sound. He stepped out of the danger zone, smiling victoriously, completing the job quickly, safely, and proudly. I am facing a very difficult challenge when the chainsaw in my hand is making cuts on the trunk of a huge old tree, which is like a tough monster, seemingly unable to move. But I know with this saw, along with the power of technology and experience accumulated over the years, I can do it. Every cut I make must be carefully calculated, cannot be rushed. The tree is big, the trunk is hard, but I am just as hard. Just a little more, it will have to fall, no matter how long I have to fight it. The feeling of the tree trunk shaking, like a victory in my hands, although the path leading there was not easy. So our journey through the eye-catching moments of strength and bravery in logging work has come to an end. The resounding noises, the ancient trees falling like a miracle, all are proof of the feat and the spirit of resilient labor. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next impressive videos. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any events.